back, my YouTube friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another non-phone healthcare work-from-home job lead. This one is just reviewing payments to make sure that they are accurate, payments that are coming in from the insurance company. We are going to get all into it. Just know the links to everything I share are always linked in the YouTube description box below this video, so you can get to these pages quickly yourself. Today's job lead is from the company Cotivity. They have a 3.6 out of 5-star rating on Glassdoor with over 1,000 reviews. They are hiring a payment accuracy COB or coordination of benefits specialist. This is remote for my United States folks only, but as a payment accuracy COB specialist, you'll be responsible for reviewing and analyzing claims, members, and group data to identify instances of recoverable claims for the benefit of Cotivity and their clients. So you'll basically build an understanding of the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services, CMS, and the National Association of Insurance Commissioners guidelines to establish the correct order of liability. So if a patient has more than one insurance, say they have Medicare and Blue Cross Blue Shield, there are laws and guidelines to which insurance company is required to pay first and which one pays secondary. And sometimes those can be flip-flopped. It can be if the patient is under a certain age, one is first, the second, Medicare will be second, but once the patient hits a certain age, it'll flip-flop and Medicare could be first. So you'll have to learn those laws and guidelines, but then you'll utilize their audit tools to complete investigations. You'll create detail-oriented, accurate notes in their system and audit tools. You'll have to meet and exceed productivity and quality standards. So they are going to make you do so many a day. But basically, you'll identify and solve problems by classifying errors and overpayments for their healthcare clients. So maybe the wrong insurances were billed in the wrong order and one insurance paid more than they were required to pay. Maybe they should have been the second payer who only pays a smaller amount, but they paid the higher amount as the first payer. You'll then have to kind of refund those payers and get that corrected. So you'll be solving these errors of overpayments. So this position is going to be completely non-phone. Now, they are not requiring a college degree, although they always prefer it. A high school diploma is required. They want somebody who has at least a 1-year experience in the healthcare field, someone who knows how to use those Microsoft Office computer systems, Word, Excel, Outlook, and of course, somebody who has great communication skills. Now, this job does pay anywhere from $20 an hour all the way up to $23 an hour, and they do offer a standard benefit package that includes medical, dental, vision, 401k, paid time off. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave anything specific that you're looking for in the comments. Just a little reminder that I am going on vacation next week for the holiday week, so you'll be seeing less videos from me, but I will be back at the beginning of June.